I'm Dr. Vandimer. I'm here to get adjusted. I get adjusted at least once a week, sometimes twice, just depending on how things are going. But I'm here to be adjusted because I want to optimize labor and delivery, first and foremost, and then also just helping my nervous system function properly throughout my pregnancy. Sometimes I get some rib pain as my ribs are expanding during pregnancy, and then sometimes some sciatica stuff. Not really sciatica, but piriformis syndrome, things that aren't going quite down the leg, but sometimes just that glute soreness from being on my feet all day.